Hello everyone, Mark here from CNC Source. Today I want to provide you with an overview of everything you need to know to get your own CNC machining business up and running. I know many of you tune in because you dream of turning your CNC machining hobby into a full-time gig that allows you to quit your day job. Well, let me tell you, it is completely doable if you put in the work. There's huge demand for custom CNC work, and small businesses can absolutely thrive in this industry. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at the step-by-step process for starting your profitable CNC machining business. We'll cover startup costs, choosing your niche, setting competitive pricing, marketing tactics, scaling up strategically, and more. If you want even more specifics on any part of starting a CNC business, head over to the CNC Sourced blog using the link in the video description below after you finish watching. All right, let's dive in. First, you need to budget for your initial startup costs. The CNC machine itself will likely be your biggest expense in the beginning. Prices can range from a few $1,000s for a desktop CNC suitable for small jobs all the way up to over $100,000 for an industrial CNC mill or lathe to handle large-scale work. Also, make sure to allocate additional funds for necessary tooling, work-holding solutions, CM software, and other vital accessories. Depending on the machine, this can easily add up to thousands more. If funds are limited initially, consider joining a community makerspace to get your business going. Once steady cash starts flowing in from customers, you can invest in buying your own equipment. I do not recommend buying expensive machines on finance, especially when you're just starting out. Next, put serious thought into identifying your niche within the machining space. Determine what needs you can fulfill better than competitors by specializing around a specific material, industry, or product line. For example, you may focus solely on expertly machining parts from a certain material, like aluminum or plastic, or exclusively serve a particular sector, like aerospace or robotics companies. When deciding exactly what CNC products to offer, look to create exclusive personalized versions that customers cannot find elsewhere. For instance, one-of-a-kind household items like signs, furniture, or decor tailored to match their unique taste and style. Customers gladly pay premium prices for items made special just for them. Analyze competitor pricing, but don't get into a race to the bottom. You should aim to optimize for quality over quantity at the start. Remember, you provide bespoke value that sheer production volume cannot match. Now you need to attract customers. I recommend starting out on Etsy. It's an easy launchpad to test products and get initial sales under your belt. Professional photos, smart keywords, and good reviews are crucial there. Once you've picked up a few sales and proved there is demand for your products, you can begin expanding your marketing reach with a standalone e-commerce site. From there, you'll scale up by spreading the word on social media with high-quality visual content. When demand starts to outpace your production capacity, first look to upgrade equipment and software to increase your personal efficiency before expanding your team. Invest profits into solutions that allow you to work faster and handle a higher workload on your own. The key is to make more money in less time without overcomplicating operations. Remember, you can get to $100,000 per year in revenue as a solopreneur if you optimize effectively. Bigger is not always better in business, especially before you have a smoothly running operation fully figured out. So only bring on additional team members if absolutely necessary to keep up with customer demand, once your systems are proven profitable. When that happens, you can hire local minimum wage employees just for packing orders, or outsource repetitive online listing tasks to virtual assistants that only cost $5 per hour. This keeps labor costs low while freeing you up to focus on mission-critical machining activities. Don't pursue growth simply for the sake of growth. Carefully assess if and when expansion is truly warranted, based on workloads exceeding your personal capacity despite efficiency improvements. I know that was still a super quick overview of jump-starting a CNC machining business. If you want to go deeper on any aspect I touched on, head over to the CNC Sourced blog using the link in the video description below after you finish watching. You'll find the most comprehensive step-by-step guide possible, covering everything from accurate cost projections to ideal product selection formula, next-level marketing tactics, and masterful scaling strategies. It's packed with actionable tips and advice to set you on the most direct path to CNC machining success. So be sure to check out my full guide on the blog after you finish this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.